All-in-one Gel Paint Nail Kit. Saviland All-in-one Gel Paint Nail Kit has a full set of nail tools, including 36 colors Christmas Colors Gel Paint Nail Set, Base Top Coat, 15 PCS nail brushes, nail buffer, nail color diamond set, laser butterfly decorations. You can use your rich imagination to create exquisite and charming nail designs. Excellent usage experience. Saviland Nail Art Gel Polish with rich and charming 36 colors nail polish to meet your diverse needs. You can easily do delicate nail art design such as flat coating, painted patterns, blooming effect with the professional 15 PCS nail brushes. Also can use the beautiful nail decorations and your powerful imagination to do exquisite nail art. Suit for nail salon and DIY at home. Long-lasting stable. The nail art gel in the nail design kit has strong toughness, waterproofing, color stable and glossy shine after finishing. Bring you a smooth appearance and flawless coverage. With proper application, it can last up to 28 days or more, not easy to peel off or no chip. Safe perfect gift. The nail design gel is made with nature resin, safe and no harm to nails, including a full set of nail art tools, packaged with a gift box. Perfect present for your lovers, friends, relatives, nail art lovers, etc. Warm tips. Best service. The colloid inside the gel paint will be separated from the base liquid after a long time, which is a normal phenomenon, fully stirred well before use. If you have any questions about the 36 colors gel paint nail kit, please contact us, and we will service you at any time. Happy shopping. Top reviews from the United States. Obsessed. I love this product. The butterflies are adorable and so many colors. The glitters are clear so you can layer for many different looks. The different brushes work great for designs. I recommend doubling up on the top coat for the butterflies. They can be kind of sharp and snag on things if not completely covered. Same with the gems, but I really love how long it lasts if sealed properly and so vibrant.